So I was thinking for our nighttime routine, how about just to get off all the energy from today, we have a little dance before we slow things down. So any energy that you've got that you want to burn, shake it all out. Shake your hands, shake your arms, shake your shoulders, shake your back, your tummies and your bottoms. Shake your right leg, your right foot. Shake your left leg and your left foot. And have a little dance. Okay, I don't know about you, but I managed to get rid of all of my energy for today. So just to slow things down a little bit before we wind down ready for bed. Sit down in any way that you feel comfortable. My heart is going boom, 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 boom. So we're going to slow that down. Just take a big breath in through your nose. And we're going to blow it out through our mouths. And when we blow the breath away, just visualize that you're blowing beautiful sleepy sparkles to help you feel nice and tired and calm and relaxed. Just take another breath in through your nose. And blow the sleepy sparkles all over yourself. They're falling on your head and your shoulders and your tummy and your legs and all onto the floor. And one last big breath in and blow away all the sleepy sparkles to everyone in the world, to all the children, all the mummies and daddies, to have everyone feel nice and sleepy. And now we're just going to say good night to everyone in the world using our bodies, our breath and our mind, which is yoga. So when you're ready, come to your feet. The sun in the sky is going down and the clouds float by. Good night, sun. The stars sparkle brightly. Good night, stars. As the moon rises high. Good night, moon. The birds are flying back now. Good night, birds. To their homes in the trees. You can put your leg below your knee or above your knee. Good night, trees. The ladybirds settle softly. Good night, ladybirds. Between the butterflies. Good night, butterflies. and the bees. Good night, bees. The little blue cat who lives in the moon arches his back. Says, good night, world. You'll be dreaming soon.